Hey guys, what up? And today I'm going to be unboxing my Pokemon that I got today. Let me take a drink first. So, I kind of opened it already, but comes with this metallic coin for the coin flipping. You can't see it. See the other side. And then you got this is the playboard thing where you can play Pokemon cards on them. And then the counter things. And then we got the rules and stuff. The thing that you can play online. And then the deck of cards. So I'm going to show you the deck. I don't know what's really in here though, but there's lots of energy cards, The energies that in here are water and there's water and lightning energy. So the cards that are in here is I have Primarina, HP is 150. She has Sparming Voice and Sparkling Aria. If I said that right. Come on. You know you gotta go. Then I have the energy cards. This is water energy. There's only 12 12 water ones, but they're hidden in here. I know you gotta grow up.